In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to the Products and Services area. This is where you manage the items you sell on your site. Once you are there, open your product page and choose the product you want to edit. Make sure you are selecting the exact item that will be available for pre-order so the correct product information appears on your store. After opening the product, click the Edit button in the corner of the screen. This will take you into the product settings, where you can update the way the product appears to customers. At this stage, it is a good idea to quickly look over the product details so you know you are making changes in the right place. Next, scroll down until you find the Product Details section and look for the button text field. This setting controls the label your customers will see on the purchase button. Instead of showing the standard purchase wording, you can customize it to reflect that the item is not ready to ship yet and is being offered in advance. In the button text field, type pre-order. This is the key change that lets shoppers clearly understand that they are placing an order before the product becomes available. Keeping the button text simple and direct helps avoid confusion and makes the shopping experience more clear. Once that is done, take a moment to review the details of your product. Check that the product name, description, and button text all match the pre-order offer you want customers to see. This quick review helps you catch any mistakes before the update goes live on your site. When everything looks correct, click Save. Saving applies the changes so your product page updates with the new pre-order button text. After that, your customers will be able to see that the item is available for pre-order when they visit the product page. If you are setting up multiple pre-order items, you can repeat the same process for each product. Just make sure you review each one carefully before saving so your storefront stays consistent and easy to understand. That covers everything you need to know.